Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. Today's February 3rd, and I am starting the month off a little bit on a red note. I did trade live with the Learn Plan Profit Group. I unfortunately did not lock in profits quick enough on you guys, so I ended up closing my position for a loss at $450. So I wanted to provide you guys with a quick little overall update. And one of the questions that I get so often that I just needed to take time to kind of make this video. And if you're most likely outside of the US and you're looking for a brokerage that is more suitable for you, I hope that this video can better guide you. Again, one of the things that I love to remind everyone, when it comes down to deciding what brokerage is the best for you, you need to take time to inform yourself about the different options that you have available. Within this video, I'm gonna share two options for a brokerage, especially if you're outside of the US. So the first brokerage that I want to talk about is a little bit more of an advanced brokerage. It's called Interactive Brokers, and there's three reasons that I chose this brokerage. First of all, there's a lot of brokerages that are available outside of the US, but they're super shady. And what I mean by that is they're very short-lived, they don't last a very long period of time, and they're all based in weird little islands that are not sanctioned by, again, US law, right? Interactive Brokers is a brokerage that was established in the United States. It abides by US rules and US laws, and it's been here for quite a while. The second thing that I really do like about it is that it's available in so many different countries. Not only am I gonna list the countries right here, but the list is so long that I'm actually gonna put the link down below so you guys can take time to see if your country is available to use Interactive Brokers. I think that's the best of both worlds. And one of the last things that I want to kind of share about Interactive Brokers is they were actually one of the first advanced brokerages that took initiative in offering free commission, such as when Interactive Brokers went free commission, Charles Schwab followed, then TD Ameritrade, then everyone else. So I think that, again, they are trying at least taking action in certain ways to kind of lead by example in that specific way. I want to make sure that you guys understand that I personally do not use Interactive Brokers. I use TD Ameritrade. It's just preference. I'm a big believer that if you take time to inform yourself about your series of different options, then you can make a more informed decision on which brokerage is most suitable for you. So although they might offer free commission, they do offer a pro version. You definitely do get what you pay for. So if you are experiencing issues with the free option of Interactive Brokers, then maybe going towards the paid version if and only if you see value in it, then you can find that to be a suitable solution. A lot of you guys might be just getting started, and a lot of you might not even have a desktop to use the Interactive Brokers, or in a sense that advanced platform. One of the things that I wanted to cover is a more beginner friendly application that is made available outside of the US. And like we all have heard, it's Webull. Webull is available in India. So is Interactive Brokers. It's literally the most common question that I get in any of my videos. Again, just because it's available in your country doesn't mean that you should go with the first option. So Webull does offer a more user-friendly type of application, very similar to Robinhood, but again, this is more of a global application, right? If I'm not mistaken, it's available in 15 countries. Interactive Brokers is available in much more. The list is so big I almost couldn't even fit it in the screen. If you are ready to sign up for these brokers and you've taken time to inform yourself to see that these are the most suitable options for you, and if you do use the links that I shared down below, you will receive a little gift. If you have any questions before signing up, please simply comment down below, and I will try to the best of my abilities as someone that does not use Webull and for someone that does not use Interactive Brokers to answer your question. In my opinion, you could either dedicate time to find the answer yourself, or you can call these brokers, as again, they do have a customer support team, to see if they can answer your question. I really hope that I earned your thumbs up. Don't forget to join our free investing group. We're the largest one on Facebook with over 240,000 members. And again, we are one link away. The link is gonna be for you down below. I really do appreciate you guys' time. And like always, I'd like to make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.